So if you're looking for something like this, I've worn a blouse inside. If you're looking for jewelry like this, then this is the exhibition to come to. आरोही इवेंट से एक स्पेशल एग्जिबिशन क्यूरेट કર્યું છે. This is at Beyond Gallery જે ITC નર્મદાની સામે છે, and 6 exhibitors have come here. They are only here for 2 days, today and tomorrow, that is 27th and 28th of June. If you want to see the collection, then you will have to swipe left.
Hello, our brand name is Barno Jaipur.
Okay.
We are from Jaipur and we are presenting जयपुर की बिल्कुल एथनिक जो प्रिंट्स होती है, ब्लॉक प्रिंट्स. ठीक है, हाँ, हैंड ब्लॉक प्रिंट्स. फर्स्ट दे आर कार्व्ड ऑन वुडन एंड देन वी विल प्लेस इट ऑन फैब्रिक. ठीक है, एंड वी आर डूइंग इट ऑन मल कॉटन.
मल कॉटन.
हाँ, तो वी आर हैविंग 2 kinds of bed sheets, 200 thread counts and then 300 thread counts. Other than that, we are having duets, single duets and double size duets, double bed duets, and after that we are having dohers and cushion covers. And everything is done by hands.
So आपको handwork है?
Everything is handwork.
They have bags, they have duvets, they have cushion covers, bed sheets પણ છે. Okay. So this brand is called the Creative Hub અને એમની પાસે આખું હોમ ડેકોરનું કલેક્શન છે. You can see એમની પાસે ઘણા બધા ઓપ્શન્સ છે when it comes to bowls. પ્લેટ્સમાં બી ઓપ્શન્સ અવેલેબલ છે. Like these. They have mugs and cups. They also have wooden trays like these. અને એમના આખા કલેક્શનની ઉપર they have a 30% નું ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ રાખે. Okay, we'll see more options. They have trays like these. Again, ઘણા જ બધા options છે to choose from. Their collection પર એમની પાસે 30% નું ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ છે. This brand is Creative Hub.
Hi, my name is Ratna and my brand name is Rangam. We are exhibiting today Gamthi collection as well as velvet tissue collection. These are some pieces with a Gamthi collection which has full handwork over here. This has flare of about 9 meter.
9 meter નો ફ્લેર છે. This is their Gamthi collection.
Okay, and our blouse છે.
Blouse pieces.
દુપટ્ટામાં બી કોન્ટ્રાસ્ટ કલર છે અને એમાં બી હેન્ડવર્ક થયેલું છે.
So this is all part of their Gamthi collection. They have different blouses to choose from. Dupattas પણ છે.
ટિશ્યુ
like these.
દુપટ્ટાસ. અને આ બહુ જ યુનિક કલેક્શન છે.
And this is your tissue collection.
Tissue collection, yes.
Okay.
We can pair it with different colors of dupattas and blouses as well.
So this is all part of their tissue collection.
This is in continuation with our collection. We have a nice wedding collection, Chartar jewelry. These are all statement pieces for some small functions also. And this is American diamond. We have nice American diamond finger rings. Then this is all only earrings, mang tikkas, bracelets, some 24 karat gold plating jewelry, fusion malas for gifting and all. They start from 1500, and this is only American diamond.
American diamonds.
And some fusion jewelry, just malas.
Jewelry, malas no options available છે.
All different colors and statement, holiday jewelry also. Hi, this is Meghna here from ROE Gems and Jewelry. So today we have a tribal Afghani and silver look like, a tribal collection, silver look like, all fusion silver look like. Then we have these beautiful chokers, a tribal choker. This is a nice tribal choker. We have long Afghani too. These are all long sets. This is little beads. Then this is all silver look like. All these are like statement pieces. Long ones and short ones. And with a fusion twist also.
Okay.
These are only earrings.
Earrings માં બી multiple options to choose from.
And this is only bangles and then bangles.
Hi, we are brand Viraki. So we are having Navratri collection. So basically we have this reversible chania. We can wear it both the sides.
Okay, reversible chania.
Then these kind of. We have these kind of chanias also. Patchwork.
Patchwork માં options છે.
Then ombre.
Ombre માં options છે. And there are a lot of options when it comes to blouses
Yes.
as well. Okay.
So we have different kind of blouses like this. Drape.
Okay.
Then alternates with mirror work.
Okay. Similar to the one she's wearing.
Yeah. Then we have this kid cap blouse also. We have different designs, and with dupattas also we have different machine work.
Okay. Dupattas માં બી options available છે.
Yes, ajrak
Ajrak,
and gaji bandhani.
Gaji Bandhani.
Hi, I'm from Navrangika and let us go through our collection. This is for the 25-meter gauge gown tee material and with a very beautiful lace and embellished with every details. We can get two blouses in this.
So blouses can be mixed and matched with.
Yes, and we do
chania
have a
choli.
kids collection too.
Okay, kids collection માં બી options છે. Okay, and I think hand painted માં પણ તમારી પાસે options
Yes.
available છે.
We do have this.
Okay. Something like this. Okay. Okay.
What
Pastel
I'm wearing
shades
is
ma?
the shades of it.